Does the idea of earning daily income while working just 2 hours a day just seem too good to be true? I have to tell you honestly, I thought the same thing. I thought this has to be a sales gimmick. But what if I told you I have not only seen it work, I've seen people's lives changed, including my own. So stick with me because in this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly what you do for 2 hours a day that can create that kind of significant income, because this might be exactly what you've been praying for. Hi, I'm Wendy. I'm a grandmother of 10 and I'm a Christian business coach. I've been helping people for a lot of years to get free from the 9-to-5 job and be able to create income working from home so their time is their own. In fact, I've helped over 40 people to be able to create significant six-figure incomes just working from home. But in the last couple of years, my focus has switched to online marketing because I can see the huge potential and the growth in this marketing and the way that people are creating substantial incomes. So when I first saw the company's webinar and they talked about earning $900 in daily pay, I thought, oh, here we go again, another wild claim. But let me share something personal with you. A few years ago, my husband had had a stroke and had to retire early, and that left the weight of the financial responsibility on my shoulders. And while I was working and doing the best I could, I really felt we needed another income stream. I was praying for another way to make some income, but it needed to be flexible because I wanted my time freedom. I wanted to be able to do those things that are important to me. I love to be able to be with my grandchildren. I love to be involved in ministry at our church. I didn't want to have to trade time for money. So when I saw the Legacy Builder program, at first I thought, I'm too old to learn something new like this. But I also knew how good it was to keep on learning things even as we get older. And I know that God answers prayer in unexpected ways. So then I heard Victoria's story. Victoria was a mother of 3. Her husband was in the military, and so she needed to be really flexible. And so she started following this 2-hour workday to start building the Legacy Builder program. And in a year's time, even though she says at the beginning she didn't think she could do it, but in a year's time, she was able to pay off all of their debts and they were able to buy their dream home. So I realized this is for real. If you just follow the system, it will work. So let me show you exactly what you do for 2 hours a day that can create that kind of income. And I'm going to use my whiteboard for this. So first of all, 30 minutes we spend posting free ads. And don't worry, you don't even have to come up with the ad content yourself. In our content vault on our Legacy Builder program, you'll find 200 different classified ads that you can choose from. So all you're doing is copying and pasting them into ad websites. And we also give you all the websites that are global so that you can post online. So you're posting free ads, and then 60 minutes, we are creating content. And this could be Facebook posts, it could be videos, short videos on TikTok, it could be YouTube videos, it could be faceless videos. And so, of course, we teach you exactly step by step how to do that. You'll learn that in the program. And then another 30 minutes is in commenting. And this is just when people respond to your videos or your posts, then you start engaging with them and creating conversation. So that is the simple 2-hour workday. If you will commit to doing that 2-hour workday every day, then you can start to see success and start to create daily pay. And here's the best part. Once you've done those 2 hours a day, then your automations will kick in and work 24/7 for you so that you can go on and live your life. Now, of course, you're going to want to set aside time to learn the program. If you think of it when you get started, like I'm going to go to school, I'm learning something new that I haven't known before, and as you start following the system that's laid out very easily step by step, you will see yourself starting to earn while you're learning. For me personally, I earned back my initial investment in the first 3 days. After that, I was in 100% profit mode, and by the end of the first week, I had earned $1,800. Now, I can't guarantee what kind of income that you're going to earn. It's all up to you, but if you are coachable and teachable, and you stay consistent with following the plan, especially the 2-hour workday, then you will start to see yourself create daily income. Can you imagine how it will change your life when you are bringing in $900 in daily pay every day? You know, that's $328,000 a year. That will drastically change your life. So if you're thinking, Wendy, boy, I think I really need to take a look at that. That would be a smart thing to do. And I've got a blueprint, a free blueprint that I would love to send to you that will just give you the outline of what you do to create income online. So in the comments below, type ready, and I would love to send that out to you. This might be your very first step to your financial freedom and to being able to create the legacy that you have always dreamed of. So if this video has been a help to you, I'd appreciate it if you click on the like button and subscribe to my channel, because I've got more videos that I want to share with you on how to develop your online business. And so watch my next video. You're going to hear about grandparents and retirees that are getting rich online, and you could be one of them.